In this video, I show you how to add fonts to Photoshop. Make sure it's this full video because I'm showing you a great place to go and get fonts and then how you can go and install them on Photoshop. Here we are in Photoshop and now let's go and add some new fonts. So the first thing you need to do is just close off of Photoshop. Make sure you've got it and saved your project so you can quickly go and access it once we've gone and added the new font. So in this case, I'm not going to save it just because it's, I haven't really done anything. So I'm just going to press no. But if I were you, I probably would go and save it. Then what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. Personally, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you like and then just go to a search engine. And then what you need to do is go and type in something called DaFont. DaFont is a website where there are loads of free fonts, so it's definitely worth checking out, but there are other free websites which offer fonts as well, so go and check those out as well, but DaFont is one of my favorites. And that's literally DAFONT.com. Let's go to it, and here we are. So all you want to do is now go and find a font you'd like. As you can see, there are all these different categories or niches available. So yeah, you should go and find one which you like. I always quite like to go and look at sort of most popular ones by pressing on top, and you can see what people seem to use the most. So in this case, I'm going to go and download this font here, Muthiara. So I'm now going to go over to the right hand side and go and press on download like so. Also, it is worth checking out that in this case, this font is free for personal use. Some are going to be free for commercial as well, so just ensure what you're using it for. Then as you can see, I've now got this download. If you can't find your downloads in your browser, then what you need to do is go and open up your file explorer and go to your downloads folder. In this case, I can view my downloads in my browser, so that's what I'm going to go and do. So now what we need to do is go and open up the file or the folder it comes in. Majority of the times they're going to be in zip files, so that's fine. Now, as you can see, here is the font. The type of file tends to be sort of something called an open type file, or there's another type of font file as well. And then all you need to do is go and double click on it just like so. And as you can see, here we are. And then what you need to do is go and press on install in the top left like so. You can go and see what it looks like here as well. I'm going to go and press install. Then it's going to go and say installing, and that's literally it. The one thing I want to note is that sometimes when you go and download fonts, there's going to be like different variations, bold, italic, and things like that. So we'll need to go and install each one of those if you want to go and add that to Photoshop. Now we can come and close off of it just like so, and now we can go and restart Photoshop. Here we are in Photoshop. I just went and created a brand new project. So now let's go and set the text tool, and we'll go and check out this new font. And now I'm just going to type in what it's called, which is Muthiara. And as you can see, here it is, Muthiara regular. I'm then going to go and tap on it, and that's exactly what I just downloaded. I could then just go and type in hello world like so, and that's literally it, guys. That is how you can go and add fonts to Photoshop. And of course, you can go and add as many fonts as you like, and they're also going to be available on your computer as well, so you can go and use in other applications. If you guys found this useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.